How to delete Gmail account. To delete your Gmail account, follow these steps carefully. First of all, open the Google app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account which you want to delete. Now, once inside the Google app, tap on the profile picture of yours at the top right corner of your screen. Now, from the drop-down menu, tap on the Manage. Now, from the top tab, tap on the Data and Privacy. Now scroll down to the section where you see Delete Your Google Account option available there. Now, once done so, tap on the Delete Your Google Account. Now Google will prompt you to ask your Google password. Enter your password and follow the on-screen instructions and tap on the Next option available there. After you enter it, here, Google will prompt you with a warning and ask for an alternate email address for account recovery as well. But simply check box the both of the options available there and tap on the delete account at the bottom right corner of your screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.